Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Prestige Pic 6.1 version 3 induction cooktop. This is a 2200 induction cooktop. This comes with automatic whistle counter, automatic keep warm function, Indian menu options, automatic voltage regulator, anti-magnetic wall, feather touch buttons and high-low voltage protection. Not just that, that's more or less it actually. That's all the information you have on this side, and on the other side you have more or less the same things. Some information is over here. I will just read them out. It says automatic whistle counter. This is more or less what I said, including, yeah, it's almost exactly what I had said earlier, what's on the top of the box. I will now open this and show you what's inside. This is what you find inside the box. We have a user manual for the induction cooktop. This is the instruction manual for the Pic 6.1 version 3. Everything that you want to know is written over here, along with customer information, troubleshooting and also warranty card. And this is the induction cooktop in question. This is a 2200 watt induction cooktop. This tempered glass area has a ceramic plate underneath, which basically heats up when you plug this particular induction cooktop in. And it's written over here, the ceramic plate is hot after cooking. Please don't touch with your hands. So yes, even after you've done cooking, you have to wait for a couple of minutes before this actually cools down. And speaking of cooling down, you will notice that underneath there is a fan over here. This is the fan that does all of the cooling. And yeah, also notice there are 4 anti-slip stops over here. This will give this particular induction cooktop quite a bit of stability. It's any case broad and wide, so stability is already there. Finally, this is the console. There you go. This is the cooking console. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 presets, Indian menu presets, along with time presets, changing out time presets, and also for changing out, and also these controls over here for changing temperature and timing as well. And this is your pretty large on-off button. Finally, we have at least a meter long thick PVC power cable with a 3-pin plug on one end. And this is it. This is what you will find inside the box containing the Prestige Pic 6.1 version 3 induction cooktop. Thank you for watching.